Okay, let's do a quick room tour. So this is room 201 at the Mercure Gare East in Paris. So we're just here for one night and it's a family room. So you come in, we've got space there to put our cases and a mirror. Got a wardrobe with slippers, a couple of robes, shoe shine kit, sewing kit, hairdryer. People laying the cases out. Wardrobe space here with extra pillows. Quite a large double bed. It looks actually almost like a king, I'd say. And a fold out bed for the kids, or one of the kids. TV, lamp and a table and chair there. And then inside here we've got the safe, and because we're in a privileged room we've actually got a free minibar with soft drinks and water in, which is very, very nice. And I've got to say as well, the lady at check-in was really, really friendly. Oh, coffee and tea making facilities here, there, and lady in checkout gave Matthew and Holly some kids kits. You know, Matthew's a bit old but he took him anyway. Yep. Yeah, so what do you think of the room?
I like it.
You like the room?
My favourite part is probably the drink part.
You got the free drinks?
Yeah, it's really fancy.
Okay, let's have a little look outside the window as well at the view. And you can open the window to let some fresh air in. So let's see what we've got here. So we're just on a residential street. Literally Gare de l'Est. Railway station is about a 3-minute walk away. And I forgot the bathroom, so here we go. Here's the bathroom. So it's reasonably spacious. Large shower, lots of toiletries, toilet, sink, all the toiletries there. Oh. Even got a dental set, a comb set, shaving set, vanity set and a shower cap.
And 2 cups.
2 cups. We have got some face and body cleansing gel and some shampoo with honey. And this is body lotion and hand cleansing gel. Lots of towels and a shaver connection. And then that's the way out. So we're right at the end of the corridor. The elevator is just on the left hand side, about halfway down. You ready for breakfast?
Yep.
Yep. So, we've got a selection of fruits and hams, pancakes, and in here we've got sausages and scrambled eggs. Breads. Toast. Fruits. Let's put on a big plate.